Hello, this is Richard Music with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and begin generating more revenue for your business month after month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how people are finding pressure washing businesses in your area. And most people go on Google, type in whatever service or industry that they want, plus the city. Then they normally pick from the first few results down below or in the map pack. Now you'll notice on this page, the search volume is 10 per month for pressure washing in Stamford, Connecticut. Now, if we could put your business at the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 10 potential customers will see your business first before looking at the competition. However, in order to do that, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's first look at this Google map since we're already on the search results page. Now, this map pack can be an important part of generating traffic for your business. And one of the factors it looks for when searching where a company ranks is citations. Now, citations are where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book, and so on. And currently, your top three competitors have 23, 29, and 33 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition, so I recommend doubling that biggest number. So we'll need 66 citations in order to really move up in the map pack, but it doesn't stop there. We also have organic traffic down below in this area here. Now, these results look for a few different things than the map pack. So let's take a look at your competitor's website and see how they're ranking on the first page. Now here we have Fairfield Wash and Seal. And you'll notice that they have built out a ton of content on their website. And this content is filled with keywords, as we see here, phrases, and so on. Keywords or phrases used on a web page that signify to Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, where we operate from, and this is going to help them put us in searches related to our business, such as high volume and business related searches like pressure washing. So we'll want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while maintaining a high volume of content, with which I recommend a minimum of 750 to 1,000 words on your homepage. But if I told you that all you needed was content and keywords, I'd be lying, as we will also need backlinks to really push forward the rankings, as content and keywords lay the foundation, while backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure. Now, what you'll notice is that the competition has built 337 backlinks to their website, and that's caused them to really generate some power for themselves while bringing in, let's see here, 36 search traffic each and every month. And this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as content and keywords, as well as their backlink structure. So, with all this information that's been presented to you, I ask, what could an extra traffic each one do for your business? I hope that you have found this information helpful, and I thank you for taking the time to watch it. And again, my name is Richard Music from Quantum Leads. Have a wonderful day.